स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome you all in today's video that is all about the Maharashtra Law CET 5 years 2020, the score versus college. That means exactly the cutoff for each particular college. So friends, as I got lot of questions regarding the score and the particular college in which you wanna enter, so I hope all of you got good marks, as the result also stated that lot of student gets the good marks. There are around 700 plus candidates who scored the 100 plus marks. So what exactly the cutoff for this year? We'll talk in detail about the each particular college. So guys, stop the questions in your mind which college you will get. Now I will show the complete list about the college and their respective score with respect to Maharashtra state candidate and other than Maharashtra state candidates. Now the one who dream about the top colleges, then definitely आपने उसके लिए कुछ plan किया होगा, right? Then according to आपने preparation भी किया होगा, lot of practice you done. एंड ओवरऑल लास्ट में जो आपने परफॉर्मेंस किया है, देन ओनली यू स्कोर द गुड मार्क्स, जहां आपको एंट्री टिकट मिलती है टू एंटर इनटू द टॉप कॉलेजेस, राइट? बट फ्रेंड्स, बात सिर्फ यही खत्म नहीं होती. रिमेंबर ऑल दोज हार्ड वर्क और प्रिपरेशन यू डिड टू गेट हियर. सो आपको क्या करना है? बी काम, स्टडी, focus all about the cap round, concentrate on each and every stage, and then accordingly आपको movement करनी है, and thereafter finally you will get the admission in the top colleges. So to get your dream college and ease your admission process, avoid all the mistakes during the cap round and enroll for the cap round program, जिसका लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में मेंशन कर दिया है. So बस आपको क्या करना है? उस लिंक पर क्लिक करना है and then add this program in your to get enter into top college. So now here it is all the colleges and their respective score with respect to the Maharashtra state candidates and also other than Maharashtra state candidates. So the very first one, the Government Law College Mumbai. Now for MS students, cutoff will be stand at 105, while for OMS candidate it will be around 112. The second one, ILS Law College Pune, 101, 108. The third one, SVKM's Praveen Gandhi College of Law, 96 and 105. Shri Navalmal Firodia Law College Pune, 95, 102. Marathwada Mitra Mandals Shankarrao Chavan Law College Pune, 94, 100. So this is all the list, all about the top colleges from Maharashtra state and their respective scores. These all are the minimum score required to enter into the respective colleges. The colleges from Mumbai, Pune, Thane, Navi Mumbai, Nagpur, colleges from Kolhapur, from Aurangabad, Beed, Nashik, from Ratnagiri, from Sangli, Dhule, Jalgaon, Wardha, from Sangamner, Panvel, Rajgurunagar, Alibag, from Latur, Yavatmal, Udgir. So to get this PDF, I also mentioned the link in the description. So kindly just click on that link and you can download this PDF for your references. So guys, these all are the cutoff based on the research and past year of experiences. The score above 100, the score above 70s, the score above 50s and below 50, all the colleges I mentioned here. So to have your dream college and to avoid all the obstacles, just come to manuedu.com. Then आपको आना है buy online section, MHCET cap round. Just click on the show packages. Now here it is, the higher education cap program. Included all the videos regarding the stages, regarding the important documents. If you don't have, then how to apply for that documents. All the respective informations are involved in these videos. So friends, overall preparation तो आपने कर दिया है. Now it's time to do a smart preparation for the cap round program. क्योंकि friends, cap round में अगर mistake हो गई तो आपका admission भी cancel हो सकता है. So to avoid all this mistake, just add this program and get overall guidance till your admission process. And if you want an online preparation for the law entrance for upcoming year 2021 or 2022, then join Manua online program. Call on 8828581455 or visit manuaedu.com/law entrance. Or you can also call on these respective numbers. So thank you very much guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.